Once upon a time, in a small, super quiet town, there lived a fluffy gray cat named Ninny. Every night before bed, Ninny sat on the rooftop and counted the stars. 1, 2, 3. Oops, one of them yawned. The moon smiled softly and said, "Ninny, it's bedtime." Ninny stretched, wrapped her tail around herself, and said, "Okay, just one more star." A gentle breeze hummed a sleepy little lullaby, and the house lights turned off one by one. Ninny closed her eyes, thought about soft, cozy dreams, and the whole town fell asleep with her. And now it's your turn. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let sweet sleep come quietly to you. Crescent sparkles. Good night, Dizzy.